Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see a quick hair mask for fast hair growth and dandruff free healthy hair. This hair mask is made with all natural ingredients and it's very effective and easy to prepare, and this you can apply once in a week or twice in a week. This will stop your hair fall also and give you healthy scalp, which will result in new hair growth as well. So let's see what all is required to prepare this hair mask. For this we need coconut. This is grated coconut. If you don't get grated coconut, you can use coconut milk as well. Coconut is a very natural way to help your hair grow longer, thicker and faster. It contains all essential nutrients which is required for healthy hair and also boosting your hair follicles and promoting hair growth. Second ingredient which I am using is the freshly taken out aloe vera gel. It contains the enzyme which repairs the dead skin cells on the scalp. It is a very good conditioner and it conditions your hair and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. This is very easily available and you can make your own aloe vera gel at home. It promotes hair growth and prevents the itchy scalp, which reduces dandruff and conditions your hair. To prepare aloe vera gel at home, I have just taken this aloe vera fresh leaf and slit the sides, and now we will make a cut from the middle. Take a spoon, a sharp spoon, and just take out the gel like this as shown over here. You can collect this gel, aloe vera gel, and you can store it also after making a paste in the mixer grinder. Store it in the refrigerator and use it whenever you want to use for home remedies. So here I have collected all the aloe vera gel like this only in this small container. Now we will take a mixer grinder jar and we will take one small bowl of aloe vera gel, one small bowl of grated coconut, little bit of buttermilk or curd, which is very good for dandruff, and now we will take a small piece of ginger, which is very good for promoting hair growth. I have just cut it in small pieces. Now I am adding little coconut hair oil. You can use any hair oil of your choice, and 1 spoon of castor oil or olive oil. We will make a paste in the grinder of this, and now the hair mask will be ready. So this is the hair mask which is ready to apply. Now we will transfer it in a bowl, and now it's ready to apply on your scalp. This hair mask is very good for promoting hair growth and stopping hair fall. If you will use this hair mask once in a week, you will see amazing results. You can also use this twice in a week if you have severe hair fall or dandruff issue. Apply this on your scalp with the help of a cotton ball. Leave it for 1 to 2 hours depending on the condition of the hair fall, and then shampoo your hair. This hair mask has to be prepared fresh every time before use. We can't store this hair mask because we are using coconut also here. I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, please share it with your friends and family, whoever is facing the problem of dandruff or hair fall. Maybe this can be helpful for them as well. Also, press the bell icon to stay tuned for more such videos whenever it is posted on Vlogging Desi. Keep watching Vlogging Desi. Take care of yourself and your family and stay natural, stay happy.